Vitamin C has long enjoyed celebrity status in the wellness world, often portrayed as the cheerful antioxidant that swoops in like a citrus-scented superhero to rescue your cells from the clutches of oxidative doom. You've probably seen it on every list of 10 must-have vitamins, usually sandwiched between vague claims about immunity, glowing skin, and maybe something about colds that no one has scientifically agreed on since 1973. But here's the twist. Vitamin C isn't just defending your cells with a metaphorical shield, it's also sneaking into the control room and tweaking the settings on your genes. Yes, while it's putting out free radical fires on one hand, it's quietly rewriting the script of cellular behavior with the other. It's not just a bodyguard, it's a part-time biohacker with surprisingly excellent credentials. Let's start with the part everyone knows. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid if you want to sound like you're on a science panel, is a water-soluble antioxidant. That means it roams around your tissues and fluids, happily donating electrons to unstable molecules called free radicals, which are basically tiny biochemical gremlins that try to steal electrons from healthy cells, causing damage in the process. Think of oxidative stress like your body's version of rust, and vitamin C is the WD-40 that keeps your cellular machinery from falling apart. It helps protect proteins, lipids, and even DNA from oxidative injury. Without enough of it, tissues break down, healing slows, and your skin starts writing dramatic poetry about how tired it feels. But just as we're all patting vitamin C on the back for being a solid antioxidant and thinking, "Nice job, little orange guy," science reveals that it's been pulling double duty all along. Turns out vitamin C doesn't just clean up cellular messes, it helps decide what kind of messes get made in the first place. Welcome to its second act, gene modulator. This is where things get juicy. Your genes are like a massive instruction manual, but only certain pages get read at any given time, depending on the cell type, environmental conditions, and whether or not your skin just got sunburned. Vitamin C plays a role in which pages stay open and which get taped shut. Specifically, it influences epigenetic modifications, chemical tags that sit on DNA and histone proteins and tell your cell, read this or ignore that. Among the most important of these tags is DNA methylation, which generally turns genes off. And if too many important genes get silenced, things like skin regeneration, collagen production, or cell repair start to go dark like a badly written soap opera. Vitamin C comes to the rescue here not with a cape, but with chemistry. It's a cofactor for enzymes like TET-1011 translocation, dioxygenases, which remove these methyl tags and allow silenced genes to be expressed again. That means vitamin C can essentially reactivate youthful genetic programs that have gone quiet with age or stress. It's like digging through a dusty attic and finding your old metabolism and self-repair kits, then dusting them off and putting them back to work. Now, imagine the possibilities. This is not just a vitamin that helps you bounce back from a cold. It's one that tells your cells, remember when you used to be young, energetic, and had great collagen? Yeah, do that again. In skin cells, this means encouraging fibroblasts to produce more collagen and elastin, keratinocytes to divide and differentiate properly, and antioxidant defense systems to crank back up. It's not a stretch to say vitamin C is helping to re-script how your skin ages. Not by forcing it with a laser or injecting it into submission, but by reminding your genes that they used to know how to handle this. It gets even more interesting when you realize vitamin C isn't being pushy about it. It doesn't override your DNA like a retinol with a megaphone. Instead, it whispers epigenetic suggestions. Maybe don't suppress that repair gene today. How about boosting some antioxidant enzymes while you're at it? Hey, P53, remember when you used to manage cell division responsibly? It's the nutrient equivalent of a thoughtful coach rather than a personal trainer yelling in your face. And it doesn't stop at skin. This dual function of antioxidant and gene modulator extends to neurons, immune cells, and stem cells. In regenerative medicine, vitamin C is now being studied for its ability to improve the reprogramming of adult cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, a fancy way of saying it can help old, tired cells forget they're old and tired. All while still helping you fight off the common cold and looking perky in citrus form. It's a multitasker stream. So yes, vitamin C deserves more respect than it gets from being the thing in your morning OJ or a polite addition to your serum. It's not just a defensive player, it's actively shaping how your cells behave, influencing everything from how quickly you recover from damage to how gracefully you age. It's biochemical finesse wrapped in a friendly, pH-sensitive molecule. Funny thing is, all this time you thought it was just helping with wrinkles and free radicals. Turns out, it's been helping you reboot your genetic potential, quietly, cleverly, and with just the right touch of acidic brilliance.